October, me and two of my friends took a trip to Hell's Gate State Park. This is our story.
Where did you go hiking?
Well, we went up to your mom's butthole first.
Where did you go hiking?
Hold on one second. Okay, what?
Where did you go hiking?
Out in the woods. I don't really know where. I was pretty drunk when we got there.
We went to Hell's Gate State Park.
Lewis and Idaho 83501, United States.
I got the rest from here. No, he'll leave. No. Oh. Taking my paralyzed son for a hike.
We'll leave him out here. He doesn't know though.
Look at him. Look at him. Downhill, keep it down.
Yeah, those first couple days, we were basically right on the path there. That's where we got most of our footage. Things started going south once.
The third day,
Yeah.
you were hallucinating and thinking that SpongeBob DVD was food.
Fucking hungry, man.
Me too. Hopefully we can find something.
What do you have in your bag?
I got a textbook. I got this. Okay, no, that's for later. That's for something else. What do you got?
I have a empty Red Bull can and SpongeBob's Absorbing Favorites on DVD. That's a snack for later.
That'll work, but no, I'm a little more hungry than that.
Alex, what do you have to eat?
Just got this jewel right here.
Okay.
We're gonna keep going. Hopefully we'll find something.
You want the jewel?
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope that doesn't die. It really fills me up, man.
Ooh, that's almost dead. We'll find something.
Think they're gonna steal our wheelchair?
It's been days since I've seen real people.
That's our wheelchair.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah, we're making a.
Somebody just rose up into the sky.
Yeah, a miracle happened there.
Well, miracles happen everywhere.
That's true.
We've been out here for days on end. I think I'm starving. I just want some real food, man.
Dude, there's a lot of food right there.
How many days were you hiking?
I don't know.
Well, like 7.
3 weeks?
I don't know.
2 days?
How long was it?
I don't remember. We're on that crocodile.
Alex, record some of this shit.
You missed him falling.
Oh.
Ow!
You just fall on the butter knife. Stick it on the ground.
I think I broke my SpongeBob DVD.
Okay, that's not working.
Is it working?
No, I didn't. My bag's all fucking wet.
Want me to slam her?
And I'm not a pussy. Even if I fall, I'll land on my leg.
I don't know, about 2-3 3 days in, shit started going south. We started seeing less and less people. We started eating more and more food. We didn't come prepared enough.
Yeah, those butter knives really helped us out. Those are pretty rare. They only usually grow in Northern California, but for some reason they're in Idaho. It looked like someone had already taken dabs off of them, which is kind of convenient because that leaked into the jewel a little bit.
Yeah, no, it was quite insane. I've only heard of people finding, natural growing butter knives in, like you said, Northern California, Southern Oregon.
Eastern Louisiana, that kind of place.
Yeah, places in which, butter knives typically grow. We got lucky though, and we made it out alive. Just barely though. Just barely.
Yeah, I'm glad we made it out alive to put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
We're making a movie.
We've been out here for days on end.
So actually, the thing I just found something really rare. You don't usually see these butter knives out here. So I'm gonna pick them and hopefully we can charge up our jewel, get something to eat. Fuck. There we go, boys. It's like making a fire. That's really filling.
It looks like a dream. Do you want to rip, cameraman out?
Yeah, I'll take one.
That's good shit.
We're eating tonight, boys.
Wait.
It's like Bear Grylls.
Fucking horses. We could eat horses. Give me the knife. I'm gonna get a horse. I'll be right back.
On what day of your hike did you start to question your own sexuality?
Day one, about first 30 seconds in, I was kind of confused why I brought a wheelchair. And then I realized that I'm transgender.
I'd say before the trip for me. I was walking through the halls and I realized, whoa, pee-pee.
Which halls were you walking through?
The ones. Those ones.
They go between places.
Yeah, they typically contain doors and they lead to other rooms. So yeah.
I only need one more thing. I don't know what though.
Review this movie, please.
Could you fuck off?
No. Only.
Oh, we should have this in the fucking thing.
Absorbing favorites.
SpongeBob SquarePants absorbing favorites. This saved our life here. If it wasn't for this, I don't think we ever would have made it out. It's one of my favorite collections of TV. And I recommend you check it out. And I recommend that you drink Red Bull off of it, just as we did.
Okay, I think that's a wrap.
I think that's a wrap. Thank you, Joaquin, for having us.
Thanks for having us over, Joaquin. Canelo.
Sucking ball sacks and pee-pees.